forum theatre basically is that everyone knows what theatre is, right? Alright. So forum theatre is primarily part of the series of theatre, this branch of theatre that is called Theatre of the Oppressed, which was started way long back in the 70s or the 60s in Rio de Janeiro by this person called Augusto Boal. Theatre of the Oppressed is basically a form of social theatre which incorporates a lot of other forms which are like, let's say, invisible theatre, image theatre, and one of them is called forum theatre. मैंने तुम्हें बोला ना जो करना जाके घर पे जाके करो, यहाँ से निकलो, चलो निकलो यहाँ से, निकलो वैसे ही है, चलो चलो निकलो. So basically, what did you see here? What exactly happened? Be perfectly okay with using profanity if you think that that's what's needed or something. But this guy is basically like, I don't care about you, whatever, just screw up. Sir, there wasn't a party that is being oppressed. If you think that you can stand up in a better way, feel free to join in or actually replace a person. If you feel that I was being too mellow on them and you think that oppressors in real life, anyway. Okay. No, अभी हाथ पकड़ा, अभी कुछ और तो अलाउड है इंडिया में आजकल तो. अरे अलाउड होगा, तुम्हारे घर में अलाउड है ना, यहाँ पर पार्क में तो नहीं करने का. क्या कर रहे हो? हाथ पकड़े हो. हाथ पकड़ा, अभी तुम्हारा डांडी शुरू हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा पता नहीं क्या आगे जहाँ मर्जी हाथ लगाते रहते हो. क्या अगर कुछ करेंगे तो बोलना. अरे अभी तो इतना करा है, करना तो शुरू हो जाएगा. तेरे जैसा बहुत देखा है, वो पीछे भी बैठा होता है, यहाँ पर हर दिन आता रहता है, पता नहीं कहाँ से ये आपको ये पता किसने दिया कि आप ऐसे पूछ रहे हो? अरे यहाँ का कार्ड हूँ, यहाँ का हमको करना पड़ता है सारा. तुम जैसे लोग यहाँ से निकालना पड़ता है. यही कर रहा हूँ, तुम जैसे लोगों को यहाँ से निकाल रहा हूँ. अभी ये फैमिली जगह है. हाँ, ये फैमिली है. अरे काय का फैमिली तुम्हारा? देखो ऐसे पता नहीं कहाँ से कैसे होगा, कैसे नहीं रोक सकते. अरे गलत चीज कर रहा है तुम्हारा. आप जाओ, ठीक है, बैठेंगे. पुलिस को बुलाओ जरा. हाँ बुलाओ क्या पुलिस को? हम नहीं डरते किसी से, हमारे पास भी राइट्स हैं, हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. अरे तुम लोग जरा हटो यहाँ से, पुलिस आएगी और गिर मारते हैं यहाँ पर. बुला लो पुलिस को, बुला लो. हम नहीं डरते किसी से. Okay. What did you see here? What changed? Anyone?
They stood up for their rights.
Exactly. Basically, the point is that what I'm trying to start off here is this whole discussion. When Section 377 was read down, that was July 2nd, 2009, a lot of people till date do not know what their rights are, whether they're allowed to sit in a park and hold hands. There are people who need to stand up for all of that, and this is how change happens. So what happened in this particular process was, we showed you a clear scene of oppression first, then we asked you to butt in. If anyone still thinks, do you think that this is the ideal situation that should exist in society now? That means like, people should stand up and this is how people should talk. Do you think this is the ideal situation that, people should stand up? Or do you think that oppressors are much worse than what I think?
Yes, much worse.
Can anyone come in? Can anyone butt in and answer him?
हाथ पकड़ रहे हो, क्या पकड़ रहे हो, फिर क्या बताया?
चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं हुआ आजकल. हमारे पास राइट्स हैं. क्या है? आप कौन होते हो? हमारे पास राइट्स हैं.
देखो आए राइट बताने. नाम क्या है तेरा?
मेरा नाम मजनू है.
हाँ, बैठा लौंडे के साथ है.
तो क्या हुआ? तुम्हें नहीं पता ना? मत बोलो.
तुम जैसे लोग, मेरी सोसाइटी ऐसी हो रही है.
क्या हमारी सोसाइटी ऐसी हो रखी है? हम भी तो आपकी तरह इंसान ही हैं. तुम्हें तो कुछ नॉलेज ही नहीं है. आगे लाठी पकड़ के आगे ऐसे. At the end of it, yes, I mean, like, okay, that person went away and the person was still fighting. And I don't say that, we'll ever be able to reach a proper situation, as Karthik himself said, that, there is no end to it. A person can be extremely violent, a person can beat you up or whatever. But then people over here, what you saw, people at least had a basic idea of what their rights are, how they can fight, what are the things that they can say to fight, what are the things that are given by the government to them that they can actually use those as tools to fight. So, do you think that whatever happened here, even though there was such a lot of झगड़ा हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, इसको वो बोल रहा है, उसको वो बोल रहा है, ऐसे एक दूसरे को बहुत अब्यूज कर दिया. बट एट द एंड ऑफ इट, डू यू थिंक दैट दिस वाज a more true to life situation, and this is how a person should behave in true to life situation?
Good question.
Yeah.
You actually have the right to. It has been decriminalized. It has
Yeah.
not been legalized.
What are they doing here?
Yeah, we're not making out of the real question.
They were sitting there holding hands and cuddling.
His question is also valid. Some things might still be considered illegal. For example, kissing or something.
Simple ideal situation of two guys holding hands. The same thing, if there are two girls holding hands and sitting, it's considered pretty okay. But two guys sitting in a park holding hands automatically attracts the attention of all of these law peacekeepers or whatever, the law keepers. That's what I'll say. The guard suddenly goes like, oh, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर, क्या यहाँ पर